What's going on YouTube? Dave with Bolts and Beards back with another video. Today we're going to be installing the plastics on the SSR 125 TR. I ordered these off of Amazon. That's the front bracket, but I ordered these off of Amazon and everything pretty much fits. The only problem was the rear here. I had to modify it. I had to cut this off, which none of this is going to be seen. It's going to be under the seat, but I had to cut this off to modify it because it came with it has a bit of an angle, the piece that we had, so I had to cut it off to make sure it would fit. But now it bolts up just fine. These are the old ones, the old plastics, which they've seen way better days, as you can see. And this, I don't know why there was 12 freaking holes drilled in it, but these are the old plastics, and I'm gonna just install the new ones and I'll give you all startup on it, let you hear it. But that's what I'm about to do right now. I'll kind of set up a time lapse and kind of show y'all. Right here, these are the bolts and nuts and stuff that I went and got from Ace Hardware store. It was like 15 bucks. It wasn't very expensive at all. Like, that's pretty cheap considering if you want to order the actual hardware for this bike, you'd have to order it online. And then, like Brad, one of the guys I talked to that sold me this rear subframe, I contacted him asking him about the plastics or, you know, any stuff like that. And he told me, he's like, I'll go ahead and sell it to you. He's like, but I can tell you right now, he said, for the price for a bolt or a nut, you know, no matter how many you need, he's like, it's going to be, you know, so much in shipping. The shipping, he said, you might as well just go to your hardware store, your local hardware store, and just get what you need and don't have to worry about the shipping. So that's what I took his advice and went ahead and just did that, because, you know, I mean, there's no point in having the actual hardware if you can come close to the hardware on these. Just having them shipped and then having to pay for all that plus the, you know, the hardware. So it's not worth it price wise when you can take, you know, what you need. You can find pretty much any information online for the hardware for these. And I'm sorry if the wind's bad. I'm glad we get to do this outside, but earlier when I pulled it out, the wind wasn't blowing like it is now. I'm gonna do a time lapse and let y'all just see the plastics getting installed. I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way to the back. So y'all enjoy this time lapse, and when I get done, I'll pick it back up and kind of let you see how everything fits. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a little bit. there you have it, guys. I got it all bolted up. I'm not going to put the number plate on just yet because I'm going to wait. I have the bars coming in, I believe, this week. Sorry about the wind. But as you can see, I got all the hardware put in. I mean, these plastics aren't bad for the price you pay. You just had to mod this rear, like I said right there. You got to cut. Let me go get that piece. That was that piece that I was telling y'all about. It went on like that, and see, there was no way you were going to get that seat on there. So I was just like, I'll just cut that off. And I mean, I think it works for what I need it for. You can see it looks good now. It looks like an actual bike. The seat right here kind of fits a little weird, I guess you would say. Like right here. I don't know if that's just going to be a seat problem. This back isn't bolted down because I have nowhere to bolt it. It broke off, I guess. Whoever had it before. That part right there broke off, which it's supposed to clip right under here. Holding this on is that screw and that. But it'll help a lot more once I get a new seat for it. But yeah, I mean, the front bolted up real good. It's nice and sturdy. Plastics are sturdy. I'm gonna put y'all down. Kind of give y'all a little start of it. I'm not going to run it very long because I don't have a filter on it.
5 hours later.
Guys, all done with it. I had extra bolts that I bought just in case I needed some bolts or nuts, but that's what it looks like now. I like the way it turned out. I got the chain in yesterday, so that's going to be another video, but other than that, she's ready to go. And then I'm gonna get the seat, and then we'll start working on the bigger stuff, which is upgrading, getting a better shock, and probably either finding some different forks or rebuilding these forks, because these are no good, no bueno. But other than that, that's where we're at right now. She looks good. She don't run good. She definitely needs a new carburetor and a top end. So that's where we're at on it, guys. So comment down below what y'all think I should do for the exhaust. I'm thinking about a pro circuit, but they're kind of on the higher end side. But let me know what y'all think I should do next after that, because I'm trying to get everything mocked up, and then I'm going to break it all down, and we're going to paint the frame and the swing arm and the forks. So that's all I have for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of this, please hit the subscribe button. Keep following, keep on the lookout for videos. I'll be posting every Tuesday for now. So I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Much love, guys. Peace.